how to stop cough in minutes. Unprecedented and unique therapy. Coughing is very suffering. One cannot sleep well. And disturbing others. Also cannot work or study well. Most people try to stay away from coughing person, as to prevent being infected, if not being cured for a long time. This will lead to serious health problems. So why do you want to suffer so hard? This technique is not asking you to take medicine, injections, acupuncture, practice Gong Fa, and exercise. My stop coughing therapy uses the ancient Oriental theory together with modern techniques to study and develop a unique cream. Apply and we'll see the result. You don't have to worry whether it has been dry cough, wet cough, 3 weeks chronic cough, or 6 months persistent cough. This method works well for all. Each treatment takes only 3 to 5 minutes. If your cough is not subsided, you can return after 7 days. We will absolutely honor to return you 100% of the purchase price.